Alright, what's going on, guys? It is Friday, last day of the week. Break even on the day for plus 1261. As you can see, the P&Ls are, you know, pretty mid. Is this everything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 accounts, anywhere from 50 to somehow 115 on this one. I don't even know how that happens. But all my balances are looking good. I'll take it. And literally just now, this fucking bullshit happened. So let's go over the trade. So coming into today, I was super bullish. I posted bullish today. We have an SMT at London low. We are beautifully respecting a 4-hour gap, and we have some great highs above its targets. I wanted to see us manipulate back above. As you can see, that did not fucking happen. So right in market open, I was like, okay, we're here. I want to see us maybe come back down to this low or something like that, since we were reacting off London low and a gap down here so beautifully. Nope, we fucking mossed for 250 points, and then I actually did catch the one move to the downside, so I'm happy about myself for that. So why did I take this trade? So every single 10 a.m. candle, every day at 10 a.m. we open up a new 4-hour candle. And what do we usually need to do? We need to put in a top wick and a bottom wick. So what do we do at 10 a.m.? We immediately exploded to the upside, made this huge top wick, and then this 30-second fair value gap right here. So after doing that, we held an external SMT from before, and ES swept an hourly high, which you can see over here. So ES swept these hourly highs, and we had an external SMT because we had taken this out on NQ, but not yet on ES, wherever it is. It's up there. So we had an external SMT. We were sweeping this high, so I was like, all right, it's time to get a bearish reversal, especially because the main reason was because of that 10 a.m. Wick. There's no chance that in the middle of New York AM session we're going to have a 10 a.m. candle that doesn't have a bottom wick. That's just not really possible. So what do? We came up and we made an external or an internal SMT inside here, as you can see. We ran this high right here on the 30-second on ES, but didn't on NQ. So we have our external SMT, we have our internal SMT, we have a liquidity sweep on ES, we have the 10 a.m. power of 3, and we have the unfilled 15-minute below as a target. This is an A fucking plus setup. A plus setup. And what else do we have? As you can see, we were accumulating before 10 a.m. 10 a.m. manipulated, and then this could be the distribution, right? So what did I do? I said, all right, we are going to go for this unfilled 15-minute without a doubt. So I'm going to put my stop about right where the high is of the move, and I'm going to go break even at this first low. What happens, right? So we chop our dicks off as soon as we get in this play. Horrible wicks. Hit my break even. Reverse. Stop me out break even by, what is this, 2 points? 3 points. And now, right before I started recording this video, we reversed and hit the TP. Are we dead ass? So, I mean, honestly, that just sums up today. Honestly, I took a trade before this. It was another short, and I wanted my TP to be a little bit below a low, and we ended up taking the low and then fucking edging my TP and break-evening me. So I had 2 break-evens, but I wanted to recap this trade because it was much better. But that first trade, I could have gotten out at that low and still made a good amount of money. So, 1, I'm stupid as fuck for not taking it out at the low, and 2, I'm unlucky as fuck for this shit. So today was a really, really trash day for me. Psych-wise, I'm chilling because I'm not a pussy. But overall, I mean, this is an A-plus setup. This is an A-plus target. I'm very happy I took this. I'm happy with my patience and my analysis. My execution could have been a little bit better. I really like this break-even spot, so I'm not mad about myself at this trade at all. But my trade earlier, I probably could have taken profits just at the low instead of trying to go a little bit lower. I don't remember really when that was, to be honest with you. But I did get edged off TP. So that was the P&L. 2 break-evens. Whatever. I'll take it. So yeah, that's my trade recap. This is an A-plus setup. Please study this. If you go through the checklist, rejection out of a higher time frame, PD right, yes. 1 hour sweep on ES. Internal SMT, yes. 30-second. External SMT, yes. IFVG, yes. And targeting external liquidity. And yes, we had the unfilled fair value up. So yeah, very, very, very good trade. Very happy with my execution today. Just couldn't cash out, but it's all good. A-plus setup. We ball. And I believe we're up about $6.5 or $6.6 thousand on the week, which is our worst week of December, believe it or not. But we are up over 30K now on the month. Going into next week though, obviously there's Christmas Eve, so I'm not going to be very active. I'm not going to trade literally the last 3 days of the week because it's going to be Christmas Eve, Christmas, and then the day after Christmas, which is never good. So I'm really only trading Monday and Tuesday. I didn't trade yesterday because I had a final exam, so I'm ending this week plus 8,000 plus fucking 555 plus $6.7 thousand. So yeah, that's not bad. And then we have 2 days next week where hopefully I could get like a win or two. And then the week after that we have New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, which I won't be trading. And then we have about 2 more days left in the trading month, kind of 4, but we'll see. All right, so that is the trade recap. A plus trade. I'm really happy with how I did analysis wise today, but I mean, as you see, we hit the 15 minute and now we're doing this shit. So I think overall it's just a very bad price action day. The 1 minute looks pretty fucking horrendous as well. The 5 minute looks fine. Because of that impulse move. But yeah, all right. So I will see you guys later. Have a good weekend.